Hey, this is Randy.
And I'm Ashley.
SantaFePowersports.com. Right now we're looking at a 2001 Hurricane deck boat. This boat is ready to party. Are you ready to party? Well, I want you to stay tuned. Ashley's going to give you a closer look at this boat right now.
Ashley here with Santa Fe Power Sports. You're looking at a 2001 Hurricane deck boat. Remember, you can check out all of our inventory online at SantaFePowersports.com. Right. This boat also has a performance trailer. And the inside you can also see sitting up there is the trolling motor. Okay. There's also a Yamaha fuel injection 4-stroke motor. And we'll go ahead and check out the inside. Inside you can see there are fishing seats, a radio and a fish finder. There's slip resistant coating, plenty of dry storage, and even a table. Remember to check out our website, SantaFePowersports.com, or call us toll free at 1-866-371-2255. That was the 2001 Hurricane deck boat. I'm Ashley, and I hope to see you soon.